I felt like making some sweet bread and I thought of doing this Spanish Ensaimada recipe. For this recipe I'm using 300 grams bread flour with 1 egg, 3 grams salt, 5 grams instant dry yeast, 20 grams butter softened, 50 milliliters water, 50 grams sugar. You can always increase or decrease the amount of sugar in your recipes. And this dough I prepped before. If you can do it overnight, it is the best. I added 30 grams flour with 30 grams water and 1 gram instant dry yeast into this and mixed it, and I left it about 8 hours. This is how it looks like now. For the filling I am using this caramel. You can use jam or any other filling to your liking. So caramel has a bit less sugar than condensed milk, so you can decrease the amount of sugar that you are adding into the dough if you feel that this is too sweet. So let's do this. First add the poolish that you made. Into that add the sugar and then the salt, water, and mix. So while mixing, add the flour bit by bit. Now into that add the yeast, break the egg, mix well before adding more water. If you feel like you need more water, you can add more water, but it depends on the size of the egg that you are using. After, add the butter and keep on kneading about 15 minutes. So the dough is ready and I'm going to take this out and leave in a warm place to double in size. Put some flour onto the bench. Don't put a lot of flour, and punch the dough and take the dough onto the bench. Press down and we have to take this to a rectangular shape. So traditionally they use lard to stretch the dough. I'm going to add a bit oil and stretch the dough. So the dough has to be very thin. This is a nice stretchable dough that you can stretch it without any problem. After you stretch the dough has to be very thin like this. So don't worry about few holes. Onto one end of the dough, this side, I'm going to pipe the caramel. You can use a spoon too. I just don't want to add a lot. That's it. So I'm going to cover it. While covering and taking the ends, you need to stretch the dough again. This dough is very stretchy. If you have knead it really well, you need to knead the dough to get this consistency about 20 minutes. So see the dough, when you stretch, it stretches. Stretch as much as you can. Now take a baking tray with the baking paper on and take the dough, stretch again and leave one end. Make sure that you keep gaps to rise. Don't make it like closer to each other because this is going to prove again. And put the end underneath and leave it to double in size again. So as you can see, it's double in size. I'm going to brush the top with egg. I put a tablespoon of milk into one egg yolk and brush. So this goes to the preheated oven, 180 Celsius, about 20 to 30 minutes or until golden brown. I baked the bread and I left it outside to cool down completely, and this is how it looks like. It's a really soft and spongy, nice bread. This is it. Hope you will enjoy this. Thank you for watching.